Good morning, 8th graders. Thank you for joining me in this video. I do want to share that today we do have must-dos of watching the Part 4 video. Please note that I can see who watches this, so I will be checking in with students as well. Please follow along with your notes for that, and we are learning a new rule today. But I wanted to review the part 1, 2, and 3 from the notes so we can keep those rules straight in our minds. So here we have expanded form and exponential form. I want to remind you that this is like 4 to the third times 4 squared, whereas exponential form represents this using an exponent, whereas here you expanded. Here, you need to know that this number is your base and this number is your exponent. In order to do operations with the exponents, you have to have the same base. When you multiply, we will add the exponents to get 6 to the 8th. When we divide, we will subtract the exponents to get 2 to the 8th. In exponential form, if you wrote this, take a minute to guess. Your answer would be 7 to the 20th power. Take a minute to solve this one. This would be 5 to the 12th power. 4 plus 8 is 12. Solve this one. So this one cannot be solved because notice their bases are not the same. I have a base of 3 here and a base of 2 here. So I can't say that I'm multiplying 3 by itself 7 times because this is 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. Solve this one. All right, notice we have the same bases, so we can do our trick for adding the exponents, and you will get 33 to the 18th power. Let's look at division. Here, notice we do have the same basis, so we can use our tricks. 5 minus 2 is 3, so it would be 8 to the 3rd power. Solve this one. Our bases are the same, so I would have 61 to the 12th power because 34 minus 22 is 12. 61 to the 12th power. Solve this one. Notice we can't solve this one because our bases are different. So this one we can't simplify in exponential form. Solve this one. All right, this would be 2 to the 2nd power. We have the same base, and 7 minus 5 is 2. Solve this one. I want to remind you that we have the same bases. This is still dividing. Here, it's okay if you get a problem like this. You will still subtract the first exponent from the second exponent from the first, so 7 minus 5. We would still get 2 squared. Thanks for watching. I also want to share that we can have power to a power, and this is where we multiply the exponents. 2 to the 5th to the 3rd power, we would multiply those exponents to get 2 to the 15th power. Notice here we only have one base, so we don't have to worry about that. This can be easy to get confused with multiplying. Notice here there's a multiplication sign between, and there are two bases. Here, I don't get 2 to the 8th for my answer because I multiplied that. So notice there's a difference there between those. Let's take a look at some problems that have a power to a power. Here I have 6 to the 9th to the 2nd. Take a minute to solve that one. This would be 6 to the 18th power because 9 times 2 is 18. Try this one out. The answer to this would be 57 to the 48th power because 4 times 12 is 48. Try this one. The answer to this would be 2 to the 30th power because 6 times 5 is 30. Here, I just mixed up some more problems, but try this one out. 13 to the 7th to the 11th power. This would be 13 to the 77th power.